What up, YouTube? My name is Vic, and I am the Brooklyn Watch Guy. If this is your first time on the channel, this channel is all about watch buying, collecting, unboxings, and reviews in the affordable range, which I define as $1,000 or less. If you're into that, I invite you to stick around, watch the video. If you make it to the end, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell so you know every time I put a new video up. Folks, today, another unboxing video. Got a couple more of these coming down. Some cool watches. One that I want to see if I got scammed again or not. Hopefully not. But I want to share that experience with you guys too. So this is a watch that popped up on my radar not too long ago, and I saw a version of it that I liked, and it's really attractive watch from a brand that I've had my eye on for a while, from AVI-8, and I don't own any AVI-8 watches. I've never bought any AVI-8 watches, but they make some cool stuff. I really like their stuff. I wouldn't really consider them a micro brand because they're under a bigger umbrella. But their stuff is pretty cool. It's all aviation inspired. I was a former aviation guy when I was in the Navy. I was in the aviation field. So obviously I like planes. So without further delay though, let's get into this unboxing. All right, so there's the box. Just got to me from UPS. So like I said, AVI-8 has a lot of cool watches I've had my eye on. I just never bought any. All their watches are aviation inspired, and this one is inspired after the Bell X-1, which, if you don't know, it was the first plane to break Mach speed. Hence why this is called the Machbuster. This is a brand new, by the way. Came from an authorized dealer on eBay. Nice packaging. Yeah. Oh, this feels heavy. Nice box. Okay, really nice box. Really nice box here. So let's take this out. So we don't buy boxes, we buy watches. Let's see what we're dealing with. This feels good. I ain't gonna lie, this feels really good. I'm keeping this. Normally, a lot of these little boxes that come with watches, I don't keep. I throw them out. But this is nice. This is staying. Oh. Oh yeah. This is beautiful. This is really beautiful. So this is the chronograph version of the Bell X-1 Machbuster. There is a non-chrono that is automatic. This is a quartz watch. Now I'm trying to see. I don't see. Does it have a running second hand? Okay, so the battery is working. Okay, that might be a 24-hour dial over there on the right. Well, yeah, this is beautiful. Let's take this off. Really impressed with this. It's probably just a nasty sticker with all that dust on it. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. Get that out. You gotta wait for me, sticker. Wow, yeah, I'm really impressed with this. Screw down crown? No, no screw down crown. Yeah, regular push pull crown. AVI-8, so that's my thing to register. I'm going to block that so nobody says I stole their watch. These guys run for about 300 to between 3 to 350. I got this for just a tad under 300, I want to say. I just gave them a best offer and they took it. Yeah, I'm really impressed with this. Feels good though, feels light. I'm really happy with the way this looks. I'm going to be wearing this guy around before I get a full review. This guy will get a full review on the channel. So with that said, folks, I'll see you on my next one. Just a quick unboxing review will follow. Peace.
Hey YouTube, it's Vic, the Brooklyn Watch Guy. Got any questions or suggestions for content? Well, scan this QR code, send me an email. Maybe you see your idea come up, or I'll answer your question on a video. Thank you for watching.